Effect of squeeze parameters on mechanical properties during high-pressure die casting. This important article is authored by the following scientists. High-pressure die casting (HPDC) plays an increasingly important role in the automotive industry as electric cars become more universal. The more complex casting geometries face increasing challenges to the foundries and the casting users. The local squeezing process aims to eliminate the hot spot, i.e. the place of potential formation of shrinkage porosity. Local squeezing is a unique technique that is applied as a part of the HPDC process and is an essential tool for scrap reduction. During local squeezing, the squeeze pin is activated when the mold filling of the die cavity is finished and the melt begins to solidify. The timing of the operation of the squeeze pin is a crucial factor. Applying the correct timing ensures that the crystallization process will result in a proper microstructure and mechanical properties meeting the requirements. The timing of the squeeze pin affects its displacement. The later the pin is started, the more resistance it encounters during compaction and the shorter the stroke it can make in the cavity during solidification. It was experimentally demonstrated that increasing the delay time of the squeeze pin from 0.1 seconds to 0.8 seconds and reducing the speed of movement from 5 mm per second to 1 mm per second results in 2 to 4% in porosity level and 20 to 50% improvements in tensile strength. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.